Many years ago, I made this bird feeder from an old hanging basket, flower pot basket, and I covered the top with chicken wire so that only the thin birds, like these colourful rosellas, can get in to feed, and the big greedy birds like doves and pigeons cannot, and the big parrots as well. So the birds come every day to eat the sunflower seeds. These rainbow lorikeets always travel in pairs. Normally there's one keeping a lookout while the other one feeds, but sometimes they both enter the feeder and feed together when they're feeling safe. But they are always in a pair, never single. And what a beautiful bird, the rainbow lorikeet.